Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of Firepower Threat Defense series. In this video, we are going to configure BGP routing protocol between our FTD, which is managed by FDM, and the Internet Gateway 2 router. And the task is same as we did in EIGRP and OSPF. Have this 3.3.3.3 advertised in the BGP, and this VPC should be able to ping it. Okay, to establish the reachability out to it. Now, I have already did the configuration on the internet gateway router. This is our configuration, same as we did in the FMC section. Now let's do the similar configuration on the FDM managed FTD as well. So we go here under the routing, click on BGP, create a BGP object. I will call it BGP underscore 64513. Sorry, 513. Yeah. Now, what is my BGP number? 64513. Put it there. And now you see show disabled. Click on to see all the disabled configuration. After that, IP protocol, select the IP protocol this for this BGP IPv4. Okay, because we are going to use IPv4. If you have IPv6, just duplicate it and create a new section. Now address family IPv4 unicast automatically has come up. Now configure address family IPv4 settings. We want to configure general or advanced. Advanced settings have a lot of settings. Okay, we'll go with the general. General. This is distance. What networks are participating? I have this one and I will duplicate that and I have this one as well. Okay. These two networks are participating. Any route maps you want to associate, then you associate them here. And then any aggregate addresses, filter rules, any neighbors, yeah, neighbor configuration. Okay. Add here. Who is our neighbor? Neighborship is statically defined 172.16.10.1. What's the remote address? Remote AS number 64512. Okay. And then config options. If you want to configure its properties, select the properties and then you can configure its properties. Okay. But we have remote AS already defined. If you click here, then this command becomes enable. You can say general, advanced, migration, HMOD, etc. We don't need them. We are just going to do the basic stuff. And I'll keep it as the properties. So these properties are fine for me. Now I'll hide the disabled and see this configuration. This is the configuration. Networks defined here. Neighbor defined here. I'll just make sure that I have the right IP address type. How do I remove this? Okay. This is some extension putting the values in there. So I'll make sure that I type the right value there. 172.16.10.1. Okay. Perfect. That's it. I'll hit the OK. So right now, what's my BGP membership status is? Show IP BGP summary. Yeah. So I have a neighbor configured. Route to BGP this, BGP log neighbor changes, scope global, my neighbor is this. And, oh, I need to also activate. Let me see. Configure T router BGP 64512. And then the scope global neighbor 172.16.10.2. Shut down peer group remote is. I think I have done the configuration already. Neighbor was already there. Let me quickly check it. Show run. I see my neighbor is this, which has a remote address. These two networks are participating, and blah 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 blah. Okay, so I say if show. I think I need to go inside that and make some more configuration. This one. Config T router BGP 64512. Do address family IPv4 neighbor 172.16.10.2. Oh yeah, this was the command I was missing. So if I do show IP BGP summary, see it's in idle state. Now my neighbor is active. Show run pipe section router. This is the configuration of the BGP. I was missing a command, so that's why it was not showing in there before. In the whatever state, it should show it up. Now, as soon as I push the configuration from here, I should have the BGP membership come up. Let's wait. And the current routing table does not have a route for 10. We should get a route for 10 as well. Okay, no pending changes yet. Yeah, see, BGP has come up. Now let's see the routing table of the box. Yes, I have a BGP route for 10. My FTD should have a route for 3. Show route. Yeah, 3 coming via BGP. Now debug IP ICMP. Debug IP ICMP. ICMP debugging is now on. Now let's do a ping to 3.3.3. Yes, we are getting the response. So our BGP is working fine. So that's how you can set up BGP between FTD and the Cisco router. But yeah, our aim was just to look at the BGP side of things and not the router side of things. Yeah, but you can do a lot of whole lot of stuff with the BGP, but there is a lot of possibilities. But our aim here is to look at the things from the NGFW perspective. In here, I wanted to check in the monitoring if I can show you guys, events in this one. Filter. I'm not sure why the event haven't come up since yeah, there looks to be some issue with these events. Okay, fine. But as far as the things work, I believe we are good, and that's not a problem to me because I know we are hitting the right route as well. But if I go to FTD and I'm looking for an option, just 1 second, guys. Mm, No, not this one. Sorry, just 1 second. I'll go back to the device. Where was that option? Sorry, this is help option. This is task list. NTP server, none of the NTP servers can be reached. Okay, somehow I'm also having the NTP issues now while it was good before just sometime back. Okay. I'm looking for something if I can show you some way. No, 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 no. Okay, fine. Let's do a show route and just see if this right route is being picked up. Perfect. It's picking up by a BGP. So that's what we can check from here as well. I wanted to see if we can really check the current route. Yeah, here was it. Sorry. I completely forgot that this option is here. But it just comes up in the same CLI, which is on the top. So that's it for this video. And have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.